Unit 5, Family. Do you have any brothers and sisters?
I have one sister.
Who is older, you or your sister?
My sister is older than me.
Do you get along with your sister?
Yes, we get along okay.
How about your parents?
My father died many years ago.
I am sorry to hear about that.
My mother is fine though. She is very strong and likes to work.
What does your mother do?
She teaches at a university.
That's great. What does she teach?
She teaches psych.
Pardon me? I do not understand.
She teaches psychology.
Psychology. I understand now.
How about you? Are you married?
I'm not married yet. I had a girlfriend for many years, but we broke up.
I'm sad to hear that.
Unit 6, Returning a Shirt